postman. Oh, how? What are you doing? Pay attention, please. Just another day on Arsehole Avenue roundabout. What's this doing? What's that? Silly bitch. You idiot! You stupid learner biker! Why are you in the middle lane? Why are you in the middle lane? No mirror either. Now, it's a good job I never bloody went.
Everything in the world, fresh food delivered. Oh, that's at the door. There's no shop shelves for food to eat.
What do?
I don't think I park there, mate.
I don't think you can park there, though. I don't think you can park there either. Oh, you can't park there.
Nice job, mate.
The satisfaction of a pub.
Really?
He was already out, he would have had to slam on. We're not marking, there's no internet up here. He was already out and he would have had to slam on, so I'm not going to.
This one, however.
Thing and then press it now because I know he's not going to stop. Do it. He kind of did because he had to.
Between finishing breakfast and then leaving and coming here, because it just gives me time to.
Fuck me. I mean, there's a crossing there, but you know, you're part there, so why not? Back to Aldi and Lidl.
Whoa, that's a big hole.
Whoa, just about dodged that.
Flipping heck.
There's a giant hole there.
Played at the tribunal showed that the throwing a punch out here, although Metroline stated this is Metroline, the employer of the
Jeez,
bus
potholes
driver,
all over the place here.
from the
That one's got a
car
cone in it.
to the bus.
The food market does need to look like, because food is absolutely fundamental to health. We are a food bank and we provided around 18,000.
You're trailing something there.
Oh, that's not a good Sunday morning.
Nope. We don't need to rubber now, folks. Come on, let's go.
Words fail me. Now, who remembers Gilburn? Rather short-lived Welsh manufacturer. This is one of the survivors. No prizes for guessing. This is the famous splitty camper van, which there are surprisingly large numbers still in existence and fetching surprisingly high prices. And a 1963 beach buggy, probably not best suited for the British climate, but you never know. And we now have a 1974 Chevrolet Corvette. In rather look-at-me orange colours, but at least you won't lose it in a car park, that's for certain. And on this lovely sunny afternoon, we have a 2005 Smart Roadster. Whether I'd actually be able to get in or out of it is a different matter, but there it is. And now a Saab 9.4. Dating back to 1966. And a ferocious valley car in the hands of one Stig Blomqvist.
Yeah, it is.
Just waiting the junction.
Oh, hello. Afternoon.
Is that a Pikachu?
It looks that way, doesn't it? Okay. Yeah, she's got a Pikachu cap on.
Well, if it makes her happy.